Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's rear trunk ARB compressor mount for Jeep's 2018 to current JL Unlimited Wrangler. Step 1. Pull the carpet back and unscrew the knob located on the back of your rear driver's side seat. Push the carpet back into place. With the T47 Torx bit, remove the 2 Torx screws. If you have our Fishbone storage rack, remove the thumb screw. The compressor mount will not work with the rack installed. Step 2. Flip your air compressor onto its front face. Take your ARB compressor bracket with the ridges face upward and line it up with the holes on the back of your air compressor. Using a 10mm socket or wrench, screw in the 8 M6 screws, lock washers, and washers. Step 3. After screwing in the included hardware, take your main plate and hold the switch mount bracket up to the main bracket. The switch mount bracket and the mounting holes on the top of your main plate should be facing the window of your Jeep. Insert the 2 included 20mm M6 button head screws into the 2 holes for the switch bracket. The head of the button head screws should face towards the carpet. Once in place, screw on the nuts and washers with a 4mm Allen key and 10mm wrench. Step 4. Slide your ARB air compressor onto the bracket with the air filters facing upwards. The bracket's ridges on your air compressor should be on the outside of the bracket. Once you have the bracket holes aligned, screw in the M6 20mm hex screws on each end of the bracket with a 10mm socket or wrench. Step 5. After installing your hardware, hold the compressor mount up to the front 2 hardtop mount holes and slide the compressor mount between the hardtop and the Jeep tub. Once you have your bracket lined up, install the 2 included 30mm hex screws using a 13mm socket or reuse the factory screws. Finally, run your wiring up through the hole on your ARB switch mount and connect it to the switch. Push the switch into the mount hole. If your compressor mount didn't include one, disregard this step. The wiring can be run behind the carpet to various locations. Then you're done!